Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to add special effects to your TikTok videos. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to use effects on a video that we're going to post. So at the bottom here, you can tap on the plus icon, and over here you can send a photo, you can upload a photo, you can make a video, you can also do text. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do a short video. So we push record here. And now we can say whoop whoop. All right, we hit the check mark and this is now our video. Now, if you haven't already started putting effects on, you can actually do it over here on the right hand side. You will see that there are different effects here. Okay, so it's the little icon with the 3 circles. You can also see over here that there are some special effects for the video itself. So there's intro, outro effects, some basic, some light, some face effects and so forth, and that will also allow you to put on effects. Now if I just go back over here, I'm going to just say discard, and now what I can do is I can just run my finger across here at the bottom, and all of these effects will now take effect when I start recording my video. So you can actually also search if you go all the way to the end, but essentially these are the effects that you can use on your videos.